Do you want to bring your products to life without a lifestyle photo? Well, here's another image type, and it's essentially a lifestyle photo, but you get rid of the person. So right here, let's say it's a pregnant lady, it's a maternity dress. Essentially, you would have somebody who's pregnant or mannequin in there, but then remove it with Photoshop. And then now it's a lot more animated and gets the point across than if you were to just have it on a mannequin or just have it hanging. Also can be done with the barbecue gloves right here. Just put them in a really cool shape, Photoshop out the hands, and it's good to go. So definitely something that's useful if it is somewhat of a boring product, or it's actually important to get that, but you just can't think of necessarily how to do this. Like you can't 3D render it. So definitely a good type of photo to consider. So this was part of the interview with Eric that he brought this to light, and I had never thought of it before. So consider using it and bringing your listing to life. Oh, I forgot to mention, the reason why this works is because you're not really allowed to use lifestyle photos in your main image, but you can make it somewhat lifestyle by doing this. So that is going to be the benefit of this. You could use it in your secondary photos, but where it's really going to get that attention is going to be in the main photos.